In this video, I would like to show you how to delete a blog in Shopify. As you can see in this example, I'm currently editing this blog post, and if I scroll a bit down, you'll see this blog drop down, and there are two available blocks, espresso blog and a sample blog. For the purpose of this example, I would like to delete the sample blog. So in order to make this change, the process is as follows. Once you log into your Shopify admin account, on the left, click on the online store, and then select blog posts. Then within the blog post section, at the very top, click on manage blogs. Right on this page, you'll see all the blogs which are available on your site. As in my case, I would like to delete this sample blog. But just keep in mind that by deleting a blog, it will also delete all the blog posts which are associated with it. So before I go ahead and delete the blog, let me reassign this blog post to a different blog. For that, let me click on blog post once again. And then in the filter, under blog, let's click on drop down and let's pick the sample blog. And as you can see, the sample blog has two blog posts which are assigned to it. Let me just assign them to a different blog. For that, let's start off with the first one. Let's open it. And then at the very bottom, let's click on drop down and change it to espresso blog. Let's save the changes. Now let's go back and do the same thing for the other blog post. Once again, let's click on sample blog. Let's open the blog post and also change it to espresso blog. Perfect. And so you can notice all blog posts are now assigned to the espresso blog. Now let's go ahead and delete the sample blog. Once again, let's click on manage blogs. Let's select the sample blog. Let's click on actions, click on delete blogs. And now you'll be presented with this message. Deleted blogs and posts cannot be recovered. Deleting this blog will also delete any linked posts. Do you still want to continue? Just click on delete one blog. And so you can see it was deleted. Now let me go back to blog posts. Let's open one of the blog posts. Now let's scroll a bit down until you find blog selector. As you can see, the sample blog is no longer available in the list. So as usual, I hope you found this video helpful. If more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.